Meaning of genome.
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 Genome. A genome is the complete set of genetic material present in an organism. It includes all the DNA sequences that determine an organism's physical characteristics and traits. Genomes are found in all living organisms, from bacteria to humans, and contain the instructions for creating and maintaining life. The study of genomes has revolutionized fields like medicine, agriculture, and ecology, as scientists use this information to better understand the underlying causes of disease, create genetically modified crops, and explore the diversity of life on Earth. Overall, the genome is a critical component of life as we know it.